Hello, class, and welcome to an introduction to ethical reasoning and accounting. Today, we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of ethical reasoning and accounting. I am Dr. Rick Ardito, your professor for this class, and I'm honored to guide you through this enlightening topic. On this opening slide, we set the stage for our exploration. We'll delve into principles that underpin ethical reasoning in the field of accounting. We'll emphasize the paramount importance of integrity in our profession. But first, let's clarify a few essential points. Ethics, as you may know, differs from laws. While laws provide a legal framework, ethics are the moral principles that govern our behavior. In the realm of accounting, these ethical principles are our compass, guiding us toward decisions that are not just lawful, but also morally sound. We further investigate various ethical frameworks and concepts throughout this presentation. These frameworks will help us navigate the complex ethical dilemmas that accountants often encounter. So buckle up as we embark on this ethical journey in the world of accounting. Let's learn how to navigate the intricate landscape of ethical reasoning and make informed decisions that uphold the highest standards of integrity. Together, we'll uncover the tools and insights that will enable us to excel in the realm of ethical accounting. Thank you for joining me today, and let's begin our exploration of ethical reasoning and accounting. In our quest to understand ethical reasoning and accounting, it's essential to journey back in time and explore the roots of ethical thought. This slide, titled Greek Philosophy and the Principles of Integrity, takes us to the heart of ancient wisdom. As we gaze into the past, we encounter the profound influence of Greek philosophy on ethical reasoning. The wisdom of ancient Greek thinkers such as Plato, Aristotle, and others has left an indelible mark on how we perceive integrity and ethical behavior. These ancient philosophers contemplated the fundamental questions of ethics, seeking to unravel the essence of virtuous living. They believed that integrity was not just a virtue, but the cornerstone of ethical behavior. Now let's delve deeper into the power of integrity. Why is it so pivotal, especially in the world of accounting? Integrity serves as the bedrock, not the backdrop, the bedrock upon which ethical behavior stands. This is the linchpin that fosters trust, transparency, and responsible decision-making in the field of accounting. When accountants uphold the principles of integrity, they build bridges of trust with clients, stakeholders, and the public. Integrity ensures that financial information is accurate and reliable, enabling stakeholders to make informed decisions with confidence. So as we proceed with our journey, remember the wisdom of ancient Greece. Embrace the principle of integrity as we explore how it shapes ethical reasoning in the world of accounting, leading to trust, transparency, and responsible decision-making. Thank you for joining me on this voyage through the annals of philosophy and ethics. Let's continue our exploration. This slide takes us into the fascinating terrain where ethics and the law intersect and sometimes diverge in the realm of accounting. It's titled Ethics versus Law. On this first point, the thin line, we explore the fine distinction between ethics and the law. While ethics represent our moral compass, the law provides a legal framework for society. In accounting, this difference can be both subtle and significant. Let's delve into real-life scenarios to understand how professionals navigate this complex landscape. Imagine an accountant facing a dilemma where a certain financial action may be technically legal, but raises ethical concerns. How does one balance these conflicting forces? We'll examine these scenarios and the ethical decision-making process that professionals must undertake. Beyond compliance is our second point, which delves deeper into the concept that ethical conduct goes beyond mere compliance with the law. While adhering to legal obligations is crucial, it's just the starting point. Here we'll uncover why ethical behavior is paramount in the world of accounting. Unethical behavior can have severe consequences, not only for individuals, but also organizations. We'll explore the potential fallout of unethical actions, from reputational damage to legal ramifications. Understanding these consequences reinforces the significance of ethical conduct in our profession. So as we continue our journey through the ethical landscape of accounting, keep in mind that while laws set the boundaries, ethics guide us to higher standards of behavior. The choices we make in this delicate balance can define our professional integrity and the trust others place in us. Thank you for joining me on the exploration of ethics versus law in accounting. Now let's move forward to delve deeper into these critical concepts. On slide 4, we delve into the intriguing territory of ethical relativism and situational ethics, two concepts that significantly impact decision making in the world of accounting. Let's start with the concept of ethical relativism. This philosophy suggests that ethical principles are not absolute, but vary depending on culture, society, or context. In accounting, this can pose a significant challenge. We'll examine the implications of ethical relativism, including the potential for conflicting ethical perspectives. Understanding this concept is crucial because it reminds us that accounting professionals must navigate a diverse and complex landscape of ethical frameworks. The ability to appreciate these differences and apply ethical principles appropriately is essential in maintaining trust and integrity. Moving on to situational ethics, we'll explore how this approach shapes decision-making in the accounting profession. Situational ethics recognize that ethical judgments can depend on the specific circumstances surrounding an issue. We'll delve into how professionals analyze ethical dilemmas by considering the unique context, stakeholders involved, and potential consequences. By doing so, they aim to make responsible and ethical choices in the face of complexity. Lastly, we'll examine real-world examples of ethical dilemmas in accounting. We'll explore how professionals apply ethical relativism and situational ethics to resolve these complex issues effectively, or choose not to apply them. Now we delve into the fascinating intersection of social networks and workplace ethics, exploring the dynamics of ethics in the digital age. In this digital era, we must investigate the profound impact of social networks on workplace ethics. Social media and other platforms have blurred the lines between personal and professional life, raising questions about professional boundaries, privacy, and online behavior. We'll examine how professionals navigate these challenges, considering the implications of their online actions on their reputation and ethical conduct. Understanding these dynamics is essential for maintaining ethical integrity in the digital age. Next, we'll explore how organizational culture plays a pivotal role in shaping ethical behavior in the workplace. Organizational culture encompasses leadership styles, values, and norms that influence how employees make ethical decisions. We'll delve into the significance of ethical leadership and how it sets the tone for the entire organization. Additionally, we'll discuss how shared values and ethical norms contribute to fostering an ethical work environment. Finally, we'll examine the importance of ethics training programs in promoting ethical decision-making within organizations. Such programs are designed to enhance ethical awareness and accountability among employees. We'll explore strategies for implementing effective ethics training programs, ensuring that professionals are equipped with the knowledge and tools needed to make ethical choices. As we navigate the intricate landscape of social networks and workplace ethics, remember that ethical conduct in the digital age requires a keen understanding of professional boundaries, a commitment to a strong ethical culture, and ongoing ethics training and awareness. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the complex dynamics of ethical and ethics in the digital workplace. Let's continue. Now we introduce the first three pillars of character that are fundamental in the accounting profession: trustworthiness, respect, and responsibility. These pillars form the foundation of ethical conduct for accountants. Trustworthiness is paramount in the accounting profession. Honesty, reliability, and loyalty are the cornerstones of building trust with clients, colleagues, and stakeholders. Accountants must consistently demonstrate these qualities to maintain the confidence of those they serve. When clients know they can rely on their accountant's integrity and honesty, it creates a strong foundation for a fruitful working relationship. Trust is the currency of our profession, and it is essential to uphold it at all times. Respect is another vital pillar in maintaining ethical relationships. Valuing diversity, actively listening, and demonstrating empathy are key aspects of fostering a respectful and work environment. In the diverse and interconnected world of accounting, respecting different perspectives and backgrounds is essential. Active listening and empathy allow professionals to understand the needs and concerns of clients, colleagues, and stakeholders, leading to a stronger, more ethical interaction in the workplace. Responsibility, the third pillar, plays a crucial role in ethical decision making. Professionals must uphold their duty to serve the public interest, comply with laws and regulations, and maintain professional competence. Accountants have a responsibility not only to their clients, but also to society as a whole. This involves making decisions that prioritize the greater good, complying with ethical standards, and continuously updating their knowledge and skills. As we move forward in our exploration of ethical reasoning in accounting, remember that these pillars of character guide us in upholding the highest standards of integrity. They serve as a compass in navigating the complex ethical landscape of our profession. Continuing on to fairness, which is a fundamental principle in ethical decision making. It involves principles of equity, impartiality, and justice. In the accounting profession, fairness means treating all stakeholders equitably and ensuring that judgments and decisions are made without bias. We'll explore how professionals can apply principles of fairness in their work, considering the ethical dimensions of financial reporting, taxation, and auditing. Fairness fosters trust and confidence among stakeholders, making it an essential pillar. Caring is another critical pillar that underpins ethical relationships. Demonstrating empathy, compassion, and kindness towards clients, colleagues, and stakeholders creates a supportive and ethical work environment. We'll delve into the importance of caring for the well-being of others, both within and outside the organization. Ethical professionals understand that their decisions impact people's lives, and they approach their work with genuine concern for others' welfare. The final pillar, citizenship, emphasizes the significance of contributing to the well-being of society. In the accounting profession, citizenship involves complying with laws and regulations as well as maintaining a strong commitment to ethical values. We'll explore how professionals can actively participate in civic life and contribute to the betterment of their communities. Ethical citizenship extends beyond the workplace, reinforcing the importance of ethics in all aspects of life. As we conclude our exploration of the 6 pillars of character, remember that fairness, caring, and citizenship are essential virtues that guide ethical decision-making in the accounting profession. Upholding these principles ensures not only compliance with standards, but also the preservation of trust and the betterment of society. Now we embark on a journey through 3 significant ethical frameworks: theological ethics, deontological ethics, and virtue ethics, all of which play crucial roles in shaping ethical decision-making within the accounting profession. Theological ethics, the first framework we explore, is a framework that delves into the intersection of ethics and theology in the practice of accounting. It's essential to understand that many ethical principles and decision-making in accounting are influenced by religious perspectives. We'll learn about the ethical guidelines and moral values that various religions or religious traditions offer, and how these perspectives guide ethical behavior in the profession. For many professionals, their religious beliefs serve as a moral compass that informs their actions. And as Christians, we utilize biblical ethics to drive our ethical decision making. Deontological ethics is our next step. Here we delve into the concept of deontological ethics and its application in accounting. This framework emphasizes the importance of adhering to ethical rules and duties, even in the face of moral dilemmas. We'll explore how accounting professionals must uphold their ethical obligations, irrespective of the circumstances or potential consequences. Deontological ethics provides a clear, rule-based approach to making ethical decisions. Our final framework is virtue ethics. In this approach, we discover the principle of virtue ethics and their relevance in the accounting profession. Virtue ethics places emphasis on cultivating various traits and character to promote ethical behavior and professional excellence. We'll learn how developing virtues such as honesty, integrity, and compassion can lead to ethical excellence in accounting. Virtue ethics encourages professionals not only to follow the rules, but to embody ethical virtues in their daily actions. As we explore these ethical frameworks, keep in mind that each offers a unique perspective on ethical reasoning in accounting. Some professionals may draw upon religious beliefs, others may adhere strictly to rules, and some may focus on cultivating virtuous character traits. Finally, we have the AICPA Code of Conduct. The AICPA Code of Conduct is a cornerstone of ethical behavior for accounting professionals. It sets the standards and expectations that practitioners must adhere to in their roles. This code provides the ethical framework that guides the actions of accountants. We'll explore the fundamental principles and rules outlined in the code, emphasizing their significance in upholding the integrity and credibility of the accounting profession. Understanding and following these principles is not optional, but a fundamental requirement. Our next point examines how the AICPA Code of Conduct assists professionals in navigating ethical dilemmas. Ethical dilemmas are complex situations where ethical principles may conflict, making decision-making difficult. To illustrate how the code applies in practice, we'll explore relevant case studies. These case studies will provide insights into how professionals can use the code as a guide to make ethically sound decisions in challenging situations. Lastly, we'll discover the importance of ongoing ethical education in maintaining professional competence. Staying updated on ethical standards and emerging issues is crucial for ethical decision-making. We'll explore how professionals can engage in continuing professional education to enhance their ethical awareness and competence. The accounting field evolves, and professionals must evolve with it to make informed ethical choices. As we delve into the AICPA Code of Conduct, remember that it serves as a guidepost for ethical behavior in the accounting industry. It ensures that professionals uphold the highest standards of integrity and professionalism in their work. Thank you so much for joining me today on this introduction to accounting ethics. I look forward to having a great term with you all in my class. And please, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a blessed day.